Good morning, children. In our previous video, we discussed the chapter My Diary, and I hope everyone must have understood the diary entry of Mild Ganeshan. Now let's start the exercises. Okay, all these exercises you need to write in your notebook. Start with exercise A, understanding the text. Take the correct answer and complete these sentences. The person who is allowed to read Miles' diary is. Answer is she herself. Option B. Come to the second question. Miles loves to. Answer is talk. Third one. Miles decorated her book by. Option number B. The answer is covering it with a wrapping paper. Question number 4. Miles thought the best thing about her diary was that. The answer is she could talk to it non-stop. Question number 5. Miles was fond of talking and. The answer is writing. Let's come to question number B. Answer these questions. What is Miles' warning regarding her diary? The answer is her warning is that it is a private property and everyone should stay off it. Only she can read it. Okay. Question number 2. How did Amma try to keep Miles quiet when she was younger? Answer is Amma used to give her a rupee if she could keep quiet for 10 minutes. But every 10 seconds, Miles would ask whether the 10 minutes were up. Come to the third one. What did Appa say to encourage Miles to write? Appa said that when she became fabulously rich and famous, he would show everybody the diary and tell them how he knew from the start that she was going to be a writer. Question number 4. Why didn't Miles complete most of her stories? The answer is she didn't complete most of her stories because she did not know where they were going to go. That is to say that she was unable to think of how to end them. Next question, number 5. Why would no one believe that Miles' villain was only 12-year-old? The answer is Miles' villain was born on Feb 29th and so technically he was only 12 years old like Miles, but he was much older. He went to school and was a mathematical child prodigy. Only he couldn't be a prodigy because he was not a child really. Thamrai said he must have looked really old, that nobody would have believed that he was only 12. Come to question number 6. Do you think Appa was proud of Miles' writing? Give example from the text to justify your answer. Answer is Appa was proud of Miles' writing. He thought her diary was grand. He said when she became fabulously rich and famous, he would show everybody the diary and tell people how he knew from the start that Miles was going to be a writer. He was super proud of her writing. When she won a poetry competition in school, he told everyone on the planet about it. Come to question number C. Answer these questions with reference to the context. Question number 1. I don't really understand what that means. Question number A. Who said this? Answer is Miles said this. Question B. What is that here? Answer is that refers to her father's career as a financial consultant. Question number C. Why is the speaker unable to understand what it meant? Answer C. It is not a career that she was familiar with. Question number 2. But at least I had no other question to ask. Question number A. Who had no other question to ask? Answer is Miles had no other questions to ask. Question B. What question did the person ask? Answer. She asked every 10 seconds whether 10 minutes were up. Question C. Whom did he or she ask the question? She would ask her mother and all those around her as many questions as she could think of. Come to question number 3. Maybe he eats diaries or notebooks nowadays. Question A. Who is being spoken about in these lines? How is the person related to Miles? The answer is Miles is talking about Thammarai in these lines. How is the person related to Miles? He must be her younger brother. That's the answer. What did he eat earlier? Earlier he used to eat newspapers. Question number C. How does the speaker feel about the person she is talking about? Answer is she feels that he is always critical of her and not as indulgent towards her as the others in the family. Come to question number D. Why does Amma keep ticking things and scratching them out loudly in her diary? The answer is she must be making lists for household jobs and scratching them out when they were done. Question number 2. Do you think Miles' chatty nature helped her to write stories and novels? Answer is it must have. Because of her chattiness, she was unable to think up stories and has a good imagination. Question number 3. Why do you think it's important to maintain a diary about everyday experiences? Answer is it helps one to remember things, helps to look at things from a different perspective later. Come to the next question. Playing with words. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct phrase from the box. The phrases are given in the box. We'll be choosing the right answer from there. I need to look up the meaning of this word in a dictionary. Second, they will look for you if you don't tell them where you are. Question number 3. The authorities look down upon people who come with their letters of recommendations. Fourth one, we will look out for other flats before deciding which one will serve our purpose. Next one, Number 5. She will look after her parents while her sister is away. Sixth one. The authorities will look into the problem of repeated electric failures. Number 7. The situation was so horrible that I had to look away. Next one, number 8. She will look through her email to see if she can find your request. Come to the next question. Look at this sentence. She is as busy as a bee. When we use the words as to compare two things, the figure of speech is called a simile. Similes are used to compare one thing with another with use of as or like. For example, he is as funny as a barrel of monkeys. When we are using as or like to compare two things, then it is called a simile. Let's do the exercise related to this. Match the column to compare these similes. As good as. First one is as good as. The answer is B1. Question number 2. As sharp as. Answer is G, a needle. Question number 3. Third one. As tough as. Answer is A, nails. Fourth one. As smooth as. Answer is E1, silk. As slow as. Answer is C, a snail. Sixth one. As light as. Answer is H, a feather. Seventh one. As shiny as. Answer is silver, option D. Eighth one. As solid as. Answer is a rock, F1. Now come to the next part of the exercise, learning the language. You have learned that there are 4 kinds of sentences. Yes, we know about that. Those are declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. What are declarative sentences? Declarative sentences make a statement and end with the full stop. For example, my name is Mile. Second one, interrogative sentences ask questions and ends with a question mark. For example, when will you stop talking, Mile? Next one is imperative sentences give a command or make a request and end with a full stop. For example, please keep quiet, Mile. Exclamatory sentences that expresses strong feeling and ends with an exclamation mark. For example, wow, I love that color. Okay, let's do the exercises related to that. Identify and label these sentences as declarative, interrogative, imperative or exclamatory. Okay, question number 1. Nobody is going to ask me to keep quiet. That is an imperative sentence. First one is imperative. Would you like to visit her? Interrogative. Third one, he goes to school. That is declarative. Fourth one, I have written a great deal today. That is exclamatory. Fifth, please don't laugh at me. imperative. Sixth one, give everyone's ears a rest. That is again an imperative. Come to the next one. Next exercise is write 4 declarative, 2 interrogative, 3 imperative and 2 exclamatory sentences of your own. Okay, you have to make your sentences of your own of all these kinds of sentences, that is declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Okay, now the next part is imagine you are Thamrai. Make a diary entry about the day Mile received her new diary. You may write about how she got it, what she did with it, what she thought, how you felt. These points you can use while writing the diary. And these are the points that you will be mentioning while making the diary entry, like how she got it, what she did with it, what she thought and how you felt when Mile got the diary. So this is the format of writing the diary. First you will be writing the date, on which day you are writing the diary, then day and time. After that, dear diary is written here. Body of the entry, here you will be writing the whole diary. Okay, at the end your name, and here you are writing this as Thamrai, as Miles' brother. Okay, that's it. Up till here only you will be writing in your notebook all the exercises of this chapter. Now we have come to the end of the chapter, so complete your exercises.